Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover the topic the construction of angles 60 degree, 90 degree and 30 degree. So before that, we should be clear of the previous topics in which we have done angle bisector. Okay, if angle bisector is clear to you, then you can easily draw the 30 degree angle using the 60 degree. So starting with this video, now I am drawing the angle of 60 degree. So there are the steps written, you have to follow them, and I am also doing these points so that we will draw the angle of 60 degree. First of all, it's written that draw a line AB. Okay, so let me draw. Suppose this line is AB. After that, with A as a center, draw an arc cutting AB at C. So with A as a center, okay, I have to make an arc cutting AB at the point C. Suppose this point is C. After that, what's written there, with the same radius, draw arc from C. Like from C, I have to make another arc such that it cuts previous arc at the point D. Okay, now this point is D. So let me erase all the other things. So after that, what we have to do, join AD. Now if I join AD, then angle DAB is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, this angle. So it's the very basic, like when we have to draw any angle in this chapter, then the starting one is the 60 degree. Now for the 30 degree angle, which is the next one, it's very simple if we know about the idea actually what is the angle bisector. Okay, so you can revise this one from the previous video, then it's very easy for you to make the 30 degree angle. Now to construct 30 degree angle, what we can do, construct a 60 degree angle as above. Okay, so I am drawing this one 60 degree angle. So we have to construct 60 degree angle as before. Okay, so it's done there. You can draw again using the compass. Now bisect it. See angle bisector method. Okay, so you have to bisect it using the angle bisector method. So how we can draw its angle bisector? So the arc which we have made there, let me draw another arc. Okay, so with the center at A, I have to draw arcs. Okay, at the line AD and this one. They will look like this. And suppose these 2 points are M and N. Now using M and N, I have to draw the arc of the same length or same radii. Suppose these are the, so with M as a center, okay, one arc there. Now with N as a center, okay, I have to draw another arc. After that, the point where they intersect each other, okay, this point. Let me erase all the things so that it will be easy for you. They intersect at this point. Now that's the point which I am trying to say, this one. Okay, so if we connect this point, then these angles will be of 30 degree. This one is also 30 and this one is also. Suppose this is O, so we can say AO is angle bisector of angle 60 degree. Okay, that's the way you can construct the angle of 30 degree. Now the next part is that we have to construct an angle of 90 degree, which is perpendicular angle. Okay, so there is a diagram also there which I have drawn. You can refer to this one. Otherwise, I am explaining all these point 1, 2, 3, 4 actually what they are, and after that we will be able to draw the angle of 90 degree. So to construct the angle of 90 degree, first of all draw the straight line. Let us name it as AB. So this line is AB. After that, with A as a center, draw an arc cutting AB at C, which means with A as the center, okay, I have to make a arc cutting AB at C. Suppose this point is C. Okay, after that, then again from the with the same radius, draw another arc from C. Now, from that one, I have to draw another arc. Okay, now from C, I am drawing another arc. After that, then again from the new point to get an intersection above A. Okay, which means we have perpendicular, like suppose now at point there, let me erase the other things so it will be clear. Okay, now there is a way which you can do. Simply you can join these two lines. Okay, if you join such that they intersect at these 2 points, then this angle will be of 90 degree. Okay, but the problem is that it will not passes through A. Okay, so for the point to be passed through A, we have to do one more thing. Okay, what we can do, we have to draw another arc of the same length. Okay, which means with this point as a center, okay, I have to make arc at that point. Now it will look like, okay, now consider these 2 points, this one and this one. Draw one arc there like that, and from that point there, so this line will be of 90 degree. Okay, now it's very simple. At this point as center and this point as the center, this one, they are intersecting at this point. So if we join this, it will be angle bisector. Now let me erase all the things so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, now what we have to do, join this line. Okay, this one is like little bit tilted. So this angle will be of 90 degree. Okay, that's the way you can draw the 90 degree angle on the line AB. Okay, so that's all for this video. In this video, we have learned how we can draw the angle of the measure 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so keep practicing, and that's all for this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile.